Hello, welcome and welcome back. I am Brittany Mills and thanks for tuning in. In this video, I will be showing you guys how to trim your own hair. So I know some people may not want to do this and you may want to go to the salon, but you know, it's not so bad. Me personally, I prefer to trim my own hair versus going to someone else who may or may not get it right. So if you would like to see how I trim my own hair, stay tuned to the end of the video. So I am going to be sectioning off my hair, and each section I am going to be blow drying it straight to make it a lot easier to see where I need to trim my ends. A helpful tip that I do have is when you're cutting your ends, make sure to start off by cutting just a little bit and gradually increase and trim more. You don't want to cut too much and then you can't go back.
But don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me break it. Just watch me break it. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me.
I was at the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, bar with neon lights, talked about everything that was on our minds. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, kiss a little harder. I wanna love out be shy. I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder. You depend on my weakness, satisfying you while I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart again. I get you up, 'cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something holds me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You have to let me go, yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. You're misbehaving. You must not know me. You make me crazy, kinda like Johnny. Don't sit down, better, making me lose my mind, 'cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something holds me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You have to let me go, yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. Ooh, you got me feeling cool. Ooh, you got me feeling blue. Something about you so see-through. Something just ain't right by you. Yeah, yeah. Can I do you like I? You like I? Can I do you like I? Yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You have to let me go. Heartbreaks and heartaches. We tried too many times. Heartbreaks and heartaches. We tried too many. No one knew you like I. Wonder why you want me by your side, like all the time. You want my love all night, telling me lies. Maybe stop telling me lies. It's not a matter.
So I am now finished trimming my hair. So I'm just going to show you me pulling my hair back and how much hair I trimmed off. I truly hope this video was helpful in some type of way. If you ever want to trim your hair, just go for it. My hair is not even throughout my head, and that's okay, because I'm going to be covering it up anyway with a protective style with some braids, box braids, whatever the case may be. So it's really not going to bother me. So here is the finished results of my trim. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and staying to the end. Until next time, I will see you guys in my next one.
All those cold eyes, cold looking.